Welcome everyone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding members to an existing group. Let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're on the group screen. This is where you can manage all aspects of your groups. Now, within the group screen, look for the navigation buttons. Locate and select the one with the members icon. Once you've entered the Group Members section, you'll find options for managing the group's members. To add new members, click on the Add button to start the process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to insert the member's ID. Enter the member's ID and initiate the search. Remember that only the group admin can add members, and this action is only possible if the group status is upcoming. Once you've added the desired members, don't forget to click on the Save button to confirm the changes. The users you've added will receive invitations to join the group automatically. Adding members directly from the group screen streamlines the process and ensures efficient management. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy group managing!